Hello world, it's Thursday, um, October 19th, 2023, 10:13 p.m. Here's the stand-up. The agenda is here. Let's get into it. Look at the metrics. 2 new users today. That's significant because 11 yesterday, 11 on Monday. Oh no, this is Wednesday. 44. Yeah, it's Wednesday. I think it's 24 hours back. Okay, still, 2 is for a startup that's just getting started. I mean, I don't feel like I've launched yet. Okay, so, and let's just do a quick demo. Okay, now I'll get to this later. Look at the weekly, monthly, quarterly goals. The weekly goal is 5 new paid users, 1,000 page visits. So I want this to say 1,000 users in 1 week. Okay, so what else do I have? That's in 2 weeks. Another thing on the calendars are AGI House Hackathon. It's the creative one. It's just one day. It's a good exercise to play with the existing models and get new ideas. Tomorrow's a co-work at Respell and lunch with 12 Labs. And next week, pretty much just heads down working mostly. Right, in the last 24 hours, I did a stand-up yesterday. I updated the images and use case descriptions on the homepage, added the demo video, and recorded the demo video, migrated to Seducer.com, brainstorm and listed ideas on how to get 10K weekly users. This was quite good. Some of the ideas were like, okay, do RAG on existing content, on existing open source books. This does not exist and you can do it, so just focus on that. And then that is like real value, that. And also like on YouTube channels, that is real value. On like conference talks, that is real value. And summarization, that is real value. So don't forget that. Even though right now you're not really feeling like the the real impact that it can do, or like the real value that it provides, it's getting better. You're making progress, and you have a very reasonable goal, reasonable expectation, reasonable plan to get to the stage where you're doing something unique and valuable and better than everybody else. And found a one-liner as a purpose for this Seducer website in my life. It's, I build tools that amplify your thinking power. And I really love like how Steve Jobs like talked about how academia and higher education really moved the technical field of computer science forward, and how he focused on that as he built Next company and led to the next step evolution of the computer, which was the internet. He just everything he talked about, he just like did. And so likewise here, what I'm focusing on is I'm focusing on building tools that amplify our thinking powers. This means like amplify our powers of reading, understanding content, and writing and producing content. So starting with this RAG application that's deceptively simple, it's starting right there. So in the next 24 hours, I am adding like the homepage subscription section, AI, and then work. The big task is adding the AI Engineer Summit page with the YouTube summaries and search and chat. Extra, write a blog post about TED AI hackathon, super extra. Okay, 5 minutes. So let's do a quick demo of look at this, Inducer.com. Chat with files, get started. Summarization, so this is really new. Manifesto, the mission is build AI-powered tools that allow us to get an edge as a student, researcher, or knowledge worker. We believe that we have the ability to change the world, and we choose to make this our mission. And this is like, imagine what the world could be like. And this is like for scientists, understand academic papers faster by generating summaries and getting answers. For students, learn school coursework faster to pass the test. For knowledge workers, get an edge in your work by getting and understanding the information you need faster. Very good. So how it works, upload a file, ask summary or question. And here's a quick demo video. And maybe the voice is kind of low there, but I think it's a good start. And this is the same features. And all right, that's the demo. Let's see what else. Ended there. That will conclude the stand-up for today. I think the plan is to do at least 2 per week is the very minimum. And yes, thinking about what's next is really the AI Engineer Summit page, and that will just be like here, like AIE Summit, and that's going to be really fun. So I'm going to get started on that right now. Peace.